Hey everyone, this is Munir here from Gutenberg Hub. So WordPress 6.4 has been released recently, and the one feature I want to cover in this video is that now you can create Lightbox galleries in WordPress without any third-party plugin. So they have added the Lightbox functionality for the images, and thus you can also use this on the galleries blog. So let's find out how to make it work for your specific galleries, or how to enable it site-wide. So I'm on a blank WordPress installation just for the test. And what you need to do is, if you want to enable this on site-wide, so sorry, let's first check out how you can enable it for a specific gallery. So we are on here, a new page. Let's call it demo. We'll add a gallery block, and in the gallery block I will select some images. I've already loaded some dummy images here, so I'll just add this gallery. And the one thing you notice in the sidebar, another thing is, it now displays the little image preview as an icon. So just make sure the feature resides not in the gallery block but the image block. So you need to select the image block and click this option to make an image expandable or open in a Lightbox. So but you don't need to do it individually for all your gallery images. You can just select all the images by selecting the top one and then hold down the shift key, and then click on the last one in the tree view. So this way you can select all the image blocks inside a gallery, and then you can enable or disable this feature. So let's see how it works on the front end. So as you can see now, if you hover over an image, you see this icon and also see this option on the images. So if you click on the image, it will expand, and clicking on any side on the side or on the image itself with close the Lightbox. So let's find out how you can, let's say you have different galleries on different pages and you want every image, actually not the gallery, every image site wide to be already enabled the Lightbox by default. So you need to go to the site editor, and then once loaded you can just click it and go to this option here which says styles, and you need to go to the blocks section. From here, go to the image block, as we want a setting to be enabled by default globally. So every time anytime a new image block is being added on the website, this option will be enabled by default. So just save it, and moving forward, now every time you take an image on a page or inside a gallery, so this option will be enabled by default. Let's say I take an image block, open the media library, select one image, and as you notice, this enable option is enabled by default. So you don't have to take this extra step. And similarly, if I take the gallery block again and select the images and insert the gallery, and you will notice that all the images this option has been enabled by default. So this is how you can create the Lightbox galleries on your WordPress website easily without any third-party plugin needed. Hope this helps you, and if you want to watch more such videos, please make sure to subscribe the channel and leave the comments to what would you like to watch. Thank you.